All right, let's take this out of the box and let's see if this is any good or not. So in theory, with this, you should be able to print labels and everything else. So we're going to try to set it up with my phone. So this is those weird boxes. It looks like an iPhone box, but without the cutting on the side. So all right, so you have this. Let's take this out. Nice, it comes with a handle. It's all rubber handle. And we can turn this on. Hopefully. There we go. It might need some charge as well. Oh, okay. A regular. Okay, here on the bottom, micro USB, and that's it. It comes with the manual. Now I will have to. What is this for? I think this. Oh, okay. Comes with the tape. So now we will have to remove the NIINMBOT. Okay. Tear it over here. Remove this. Okay, the first one is wasted. Hopefully this will be. This will go like that on this side, I guess. It doesn't say. Or it could go the other way around. Put it like this. It could be like that. I think it goes like that because I see the all the electronics and everything. I think it goes like this. Just spin it, close it. Oh, we should get also we have the manual, so it should say everything. So here we will have to search. Okay, yes, I put it right the way you see it. So that is how you have to put it. And then you have to search on devices. So if you have an iPhone, we can try to do that and see how it goes. So let's try it. Okay, as you can see here in the manual, it says we have to download the NIINMBOT. The NIINMBOT. So we're going to do that. All right, so we have it here. Install. Okay, now we open it. Agree. This is the D11. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, yes, I see it. Connect the printer. Okay. Unconnected. All right. I heard the noise. So it looks like that it's connecting now. Nice, it worked. So if you don't have the app, you cannot download, you cannot connect it. Okay, replace. This is a test. Let's see. Okay. Alt. Can we make it bigger? Maybe a little bit lower. Oh, okay, cool. You can do a few things here. I think it will be okay. Let's try to print that out. Yeah, it worked. And it was fast. And it didn't waste any tape like the other one. So I'm going to show you so that way you can see. So as you can see, it worked. I think I can just cut it here and that's it. So it is better with the other one that I have, the brother one. I mean, always you have a lot of waste. And the only thing, I mean, it tape, the labels are going to be short, but at least it works for, small stuff. I think it will be good. All right, as you can see, I was able to print this that you see here. It has different fonts and it works great, so very easy to use. So now I'm going to show you how you can design. Also here on this side you can see the roll, so I think you can print a lot of them. All right, so once you have this, as you can see, you have to open the NIINMBOT. And then you're going to have this. So here you can type whatever you want. So in this case, I'm going to type long screws. So click here, tap there, then type long screws. Then after that, okay, and then you can click here if you want a bolt, and then if you want it to be as big as possible, you can enlarge it from here. That should be it. If you want, you can do different things like a word processor, like a Word, Excel, like a Word or Writer or some other word processor like that, if you want to modify it or do something like this. And then after that, you can save it or just print. In this case, you want to print, it will detect the paper, everything automatically. That's it. So now I'm going to show you how this went. So as you can see, we have it here. So all you have to do, just pull it like that, and that's it. So and then you can just peel it off, and that's it. And if you push the power once again, you're going to have another one, and that's it. Or you can go back to the software, and then you can print another one. All right, as you can see, we have the long screw, so everything is good, and that way I can have everything labeled, and it will be nice and neat. All right, as you can see here, I have the brother. This is the one I was talking about, and you see you have a lot of waste here, and here I'm going to cut it, and you have more waste here on this side. So in this side is not that bad because I just press the cutter, so that way I can stop it. Otherwise, I don't like this. It's too much waste.